1st this year. And we have a program for 4 days, and the final parade will be on the 1st. Now this is sponsored by CTDC, and we will also be collecting other sponsors, donations from sponsors for organizing this event. For further details, I'd like to ask Mr. Carrasco. He'll brief you about the various programs.
This year, the chief officer, the accounts officer, and the accountants are the committee of the Mapusa Carnival due to the code of conduct. In view of that, we as citizens of Mapusa are assisting them to organize the Carnival festival in Mapusa under their supervision. We have decided to have a 4 days cultural festival which we normally have near Goemkarponn temple, where we'll be having a 4 days program. In that, the details of the program will be given to you so that you could publish it later on. But I would just like to tell you briefly what the program would be. I will have some bands playing music every day, a DJ music every day, then some cultural dances by some folk dances, samba dances, can queens, international dancers, and all. These are arranged over the period of 4 days. We'll be starting from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. At 10 p.m. the sound and all will be off. We would like to invite all the people of Mapusa to participate in the fancy dress competition and the dance competition, which is going to be a competition where we will be giving prizes. So we would like all the people to participate in those 2 competitions. Besides this, we are having a float parade on the 1st. The float parade will be flagged off from the old age asilo home, which will go round to the market side and culminate at the Goemkarponn temple where the festival venue is. We have decided this year to invite Mr. Fintan D'Souza, who was a former DS Superintendent of Police North Goa, to flag off the parade. After that, we'll carry on with our program as decided. That's all. Thank you. You got anything to ask? I can clarify.
Sitaram Sawant.